Hey, welcome back friends to the 12 Weeks of Christmas series that I'm hosting. And we've been working on the Expandable Folio Spine album. And in the last video, I kind of set up how I was going to decorate my cover and stuff. So we got to discuss the tags and things that you're going to be putting in here. But here's how I finally decorated my cover of my album. And I just used that cardstock that I've been using inside the album. And then I just cut this here apart and put it on here. And then I put that Life is a Journey sticker right here. Now on my spine, I put the lettering. And if you notice, I cut it to where it plays with, right consecutive. I'm not for sure how to say that. And then I just used the black piece of paper for the back. Okay, so, and then let's discuss your tags for your pockets. So this collection had some 6x6 cards. So what I done, I cut 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 because I like to have a little bit of a border. Okay, and so I put 2 in this pocket, 2 in the other pocket. Again, I left a little bit of a border, and you can put pictures on the back, and those just fit inside here, ladies. Okay, and then there's that. And then for the belly band that we have here, here's the measurements, ladies, for the belly band. I didn't want mine to stick over, because when you close this, I didn't want them showing over here, okay? So I cut mine at, first one, yeah, I believe is 10 by, wait, just a second, let me check. 10 1/2, okay, 10 1/2 by 6 1/2. So 10 1/2 by 6 1/2. And then my other one I made just a little bit smaller is 9 1/2 by 6. 9 1/2 by 6. So write these measurements down if you want to use the same from your inserts that I'm doing, okay? Let's see, now what do we have? Okay, for these pocket inserts, what I've done, they are 11 by 4 1/4. 11 by 4 1/4, and then I scored at 4 1/4. Okay, so they're 11 by 4 1/4, and then I just scored at 4 1/4, ladies. Okay, and those just fit. You can either fit them all the way in here, or you can leave the flap out. And I did put a photo mat, and it's 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 to go on the back side. Okay, now for our pocket insert, or our pocket here in our inserts, they are 10, should be 10 by 7. Yep, 10 by 7, and I done 2 of them. And I chose not to do the booklets. I think I'm going to put some tags on these. I'm not for sure yet, but I just chose, instead of making a booklet, just to do these inserts. And I may even put a couple more in here, maybe like a 5 by 7 or something like that. But yeah, your inserts can be any size that you want, okay? So for this side, I wanted to incorporate the different colored cardstocks that I had used. And these, again, they could be any size that you want. I made 2 up here, and I just cut them 4 1/4 by 11. No, 4 1/4 by 10, it can't be 11 because our album is 11. 10 1/2. So 10 1/2 by 4 1/4. And then they just slip, well, just slip right back in there, ladies, okay? Because I don't want them to stick out of the album, okay? No sticking out of the album. And then I used a white one here. And this one is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. And a lot of times I'll just use my scraps up that I have left over, okay? And then I have these that are 8 1/2 by 4 3/4. So, you know, if I have some scraps left over, a lot of times that's what my tags will be. And your tags can be anything that you want. Okay, for inside this pocket, again, I chose the different colors of cardstock. And again, as just scraps that I had, or I cut, this one's 4 3/4 by 8 1/2. These are some scraps that I had. So 4 3/4 by 8 1/2. And then here's a longer one. But yeah, just use your scraps up. And you know, they don't have to be as big as this. You know, you can incorporate some smaller ones in here. 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 too. Okay? Just like that. And I can put this 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 in here. I just like it where it has a variety of the cardstock that I used in here. So that's an idea, ladies. Use your scraps up, okay? Now, alrighty, now on the other side, let's see what I did on the other side. Oh, I didn't put none in here. But anyway, I will use a different colored cardstock. Oh, there's a couple. These are 4, again, these are 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And then I'll probably make a couple that will be taller, okay? Because, you know, we got the room, why not use it? Okay, ladies? Well, I didn't do any for this side. Oh, mercy. Anyway, it will be, for this one here, I will probably use the bigger ones. Let me grab the other ones from my other. From my other ones. And we'll just kind of put them in here. Okay. So again, just use your different colored cardstocks that you use. Okay. Alrighty, that is, and then here again is the 6x6 collection. Okay. Then I'm gonna mat and put in here. Okay. So that is it. I am going to decorate my photo mats, and I went ahead and cut the rest of all. I went ahead and cut all these out. So I will put some of these on my photo mats. I may place some throughout my album. But yeah, we are done with this. So the next video will be a final review. I'll get all my pocket cards finished up, get those little tidbits in my album. Oh, there's some more. I didn't cut these out. I need to cut those out yet. Get the little tidbits in here, and I will come back with a final review on this album, ladies. I hope you guys have enjoyed doing this album. And the next album we are going to do is the recipe album. And it's a goodie, ladies. It really is. And it doesn't have to be I'm not doing mine in the recipe. I'm probably going to do it in something else besides recipes. So, but I have it on my YouTube. It's back in my feed, that, you know, you can kind of look at it and run it through as a recipe one if you want. But I'm going to do mine as an everyday album. Okay? So, in the next video, you'll see a final review on this. I'll finish getting this all decorated up, ladies, so you can see how I done mine. I've had a blast teaching you guys how to make this. I love this. And I hope you guys love it as much as I do. And hey, we'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this album. And hey, we'll see you in the next video. Bye, ladies. Keep scrapping.